Hi everyone. What I'm trying to do here is to show you how we can obtain a collated evaluation results from two different sessions, essentially reporting on two different classes with different class codes, and how those evaluation results can be collated across these session dates, times, locations, and the people who have attended them, so that you can have a consolidated report and you do not need to manually go ahead, as Kathy was mentioning, that they right now need to actually go ahead and cut and paste those evaluation results. So what I've done is I've created a course called the sample multi-eval course, and so this is the course template. And if I go on to the sessions or classes, as Saba calls it, we can see here that these are different courses happening across different locations, different people who have attended those sessions. So let's, for example, take this course um, and see who the people were in this course. So if I go into the roster here, I see that Judy Womack and Conrad Hart were the people who have attended this course. Let me just go back and the next course and see who are the people who have attended this class. And what we see is it's Jeff Tanner who has attended this class. And for the last one, if I may go back and click on this class here and go to the roster, I see that Aaron and Patricia have attended this course. Now all of them have submitted their evaluations, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this standard out of the box report which comes in sub analytics. Remember, I have not done any customizations whatsoever for this report. It's just a standard report which I'm going to use. It's called the survey report, and I'm just going to run it with some filters on it. You need not need to do so. You can essentially automate this entire report process. So to restrict the data set, I'm going to just type in the evaluation name, which is this one here. And once I go and click on run, what I should have is what I should have is uh, a dashboard kind of report, which shows me essentially I'm going into the data set, not focusing on the graph here. I see the course title, and then if I drill down, I see the survey name. And if I drill down further, I see the different questions that were part of this survey and how many people have responded to it. So what I can see is, for this question here stating I achieved the stated learning objectives of this course, I can see two people across all the classes have said agree, one have said neutral, and one has said strongly disagree. Would I recommend this course to others? One person has said no and three have said yes. If I could change one thing about this course, what would it be? I see all the different responses. The reason I want to highlight this is because these are text inputs that people have provided. So it is the power of Saba that it actually brings in and collates all these text input fields here into the evaluation responses report. Similar thing with the last two questions over here. So I can see how many people have responded, and to the different options that we have provided them. We can also have um, things like what's the percentage of responses as well. We can include them in these in the dimensions that we have utilized, but this is just a stock standard report without any announcements, anything else at all that I'm using. So just trying to ensure that, yes, we can definitely handle different evaluations for different people for different sessions over a period of time, all responses collated into a single report. Thank you very much.